Please subscribe and click the bell icon for every new video.
Hi friends, welcome back to Gadgets India. I'm your host CK, and in this video we'll do the unboxing and share the first impression of Xiaomi Superbass Headphone. And this one is available at 1800 rupees on Amazon India, and this is the packing. The top side you'll get the picture of the headphone. This one is with black color and red accents, and on the top it gives the information like it has 40mm dynamic driver, lightweight and Bluetooth version of 5.0. On the back side it gives some more information like it has the body weight of 150 gram, that means it is light, and the charging time being 2 hours and the standby time of 200 hours with the wireless range of 10 meters and the impedance level of 32 ohm. However, the charging cable is micro USB type, so this is a letdown when we are using USB type C. Let's unbox it. This is the headphone. You get auxiliary cable and USB to micro USB charge cable to charge the headphone. Last, this user manual. Coming back to the headphone, let's take it out from this plastic cover. This one seems really very light. At 150 gram of body weight, it is pretty light. The body is made up of plastic. There are rubber padding on both the side of the ear cup. This headphone is sort of a on the ear kind of headphone, and there are cushion on the head strap. It can be extended, but this is also plastic. On both the side of the headphone there is Mi branding which is in red accent. It's nice. Inside there is left and right mentioned in red accent. In terms of the controls, on the right side there are few buttons. This one is to power on, this one is to previous or next track, and this multifunction button is for play, pause, power on and power off. Let's power on the device and see what is the kind of sound quality just for the first impression. Now on powering on, this blue light is there, it is blinking. Now you can discover it in your smartphone and get it connected. It is connected to my smartphone as Mi Superbass wireless headphone with 100% of battery. Now on the bottom side there is this point for charging through micro USB charge cable, and this is the point for auxiliary input. Now this is a nutshell about the headphone. It seems pretty light. The head cups are having a little bit of swivel design to adjust on the basis of your ear and head type. I'll come back in detail review about the product performance, and I'll compare it with Blue Duo Turbine, which is also equal type of product at the same kind of price range of 2000 rupees, and that is also having on the ear kind of sound output with good bass. Stay tuned for that episode. Thanks for watching this episode. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and while subscribing please press the bell icon for notification. Have a good day.